Some members of the public have expressed frustration with the current instability in the country, saying the efforts of the Martyrs are in vain. The citizens who spoke to our radio on Martyrs Day say this situation in the country has become unbearable despite the newfound freedoms. Since when John Garang passed away, this country is no longer the same. People are hungry and life changed. The prices are high, they introduce dollar and the poor don't get anything and it affects them, say a woman who refused to be named. The middle-aged T. Sally say the best way to honor the matter is for the government to assist their families by sending their children to school. The Martyrs children are in the street now. That is why it is very important for these children to be taken to school, for them not to think too much about the deaths of their fathers, he added. This is what is supposed to be done by us who are still alive. But our government, even though we speak, they don't listen to us. Martyrs Day is observed every July 30th to commemorate the death of the founding father, Dr. John Garang de Mabur. He was killed in a helicopter crash in 2005. Another resident of the Jebel appealed to the government to put effort in restoring peace and security across the country. John urges the unity government to deal with the threat to safety of all citizens for them to do their business freely. I still need from the government is to put more effort in these insecurity issues. This unknown gunman issue is not good and the government must find them so that the name unknown is not used again. Last month, the children of General Anthony Bol Madut, the late SPLA war veteran, appealed to President Salva Kiir to give them food and shelter at orphanage. General Anthony Bol died of an illness in 2019 while seeking a medical treatment in Egypt. In August 2019, he was 78. Following his demise, his two children end up in a Juba orphanage in order to meet their basic needs. Speaking to the governor of Warrap State, Aliu Anyeng, who visited them at the Stone International Church, a home to thousands of other orphanages in Juba, Peace Bol Madut delivered an emotional speech appealing for basic service at the orphanage. What you see and what you hear are not the same. The eyes are the human heart. What you have seen today is what you will take to the president, Peace said. We want you to join hands with the church in helping us. God has given you a chance to be alive in this world. Not everyone stay in this world, he added.